Hello, in this video, we're going to look at how we divide using the bus stop method. So if we look at this question on the screen, well, we've got a question. It says 84 divided by 4. And if I look to my right, this is the first step I need to do. It says when using the bus stop method, we put the first number under the bus stop. So my first number is this one, isn't it? 84. Okay, so that goes under my bus stop like this. Yeah, so that's under the bus stop. And then my next step is we put the second number, the next number, on the other side of the bus stop. So my next number here is 4. So that goes on the next side of the bus stop. Okay, like this. Okay, then what we've done is we've now set up the question, and now it's going to be quite easy for us to answer, because all we have to do now is look at this number on the outside, and we have to ask ourselves how many times this number goes into each of these numbers, this one here and this one here. So how many times does 4 go into 8, and how many times does 4 go into 4? Okay, so we can do that just by using our 4 times tables. So how many times does 4 go into 8? 4, 8. It goes in twice. Okay, 2 times. So above 8, I'm going to put 2. Okay, and then that one's done. We finished with that one. Now I'm going to ask myself, how many times does 4 go into the next number, which is 4? How many times does 4 go into 4? That's quite easy, isn't it? It goes in just once. Yeah. So 4 goes into 4 one time. So I'm going to put that above 4, 1. And that's my answer. My answer is 21. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Here, we've got 96 divided by 3. And once again, look, my first number is underneath the bus stop. Okay. And then my second number, which is 3, goes on the outside of the bus stop. All right. So once we've set it up, we then do the same thing again like we did with the last question. How many times does 3 go into the first digit? And how many times does 3 go into the second digit? So all we need to do is use our 3 times tables. So how many times does 3 go into 9? 3, 6, 9. It goes in 3 times. How many times does 3 go into 6? 3, 6. It goes in twice. Okay, so that is how we use the bus stop method to do division. So I will do one more. I'm going to do this top question here, 248 divided by 2. And then I want to see if you can do the rest, okay, all by yourself. So 248 divided by 2. Once again, our first number, 248, will go under the bus stop. Okay, let me just make these digits a little bit bigger. Like that, okay. So the first number under the bus stop, the second number, number 2, goes on the outside of the bus stop. Okay, so I've set it up now, and now all I have to do is use a 2 times table and find out how many times 2 goes into each digit. Okay, so start with the first one. 2 goes into 2 just once, doesn't it? It's the first number in the 2 times table. How many times does 2 go into the next digit? So how many times does 2 go into 4? It goes twice. 2, 4, yeah, twice. And how many times does 2 go into the final digit, number 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. It goes 4 times. So that's my answer. My answer is 124. So 248 divided by 2 is 124. Okay, now that we have done that, I hope it's helped. See if you can answer the next 2 questions. So 555 divided by 5 and 639 divided by 3. You can do it.